everyone, it's Gigi and I am going to share my third projects for Inloveart shop, and I'm going to share everything down in the description box, and I also have a 20% off discount code that you can use. And we're going to start with the stitched lace tag decor dies, and this comes with a set of 10 dies, the scallop dies and the nesting dies. And these are so adorable. So let me share the first project I made. So I made this little banner, and I cut it out with the largest scallop die, and then I cut out some hearts, some primitive hearts, and I layered them up, and then I used a button and some twine here. And then I did the "You're So Lovely," and I think it came out so cute. So that is a way that you can use them. And then I did a second project showing a different way that you could use them. And what I did was I did a card with them. And this time I used, again, the largest scallop, and then I used the second nesting die. And I layered that on top, and then I colored some images to make a birthday card, and it says "Happy Day." Let me show you that. And then I just left it blank on the inside so you can write your message. But didn't that turn out so cute? So that's two ways, that one and that one, of how you can use the stitched lace tag decor dies. Okay, now let me show you my second project and what I used. This time I used the sweet ice cream dies, and this one you get the outline, you get the cone, and you get the ice cream, and then you get these little dots. Okay, now let me show you what I did with that. I made a card, and what I did was I did the entire background. And what I love about these dies is you layer them up. So I used the background, which is this one, and then I topped it with the cone, and they layer up and they look so dimensional. And then I used Wink of Stella on the ice creams, and then I did a layer, and I used a little cat that also was holding an ice cream, and it turned out really adorable. So that's a way that you can use it. And then it says "Ice cream makes everything better." Isn't that so true? So that's a way that you can use this set. There's so many different ways you can use it though, but that is the idea that I came up with. So those are the two dies that I used. And the projects that I made. So again, if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments and I'll try to help if I can. And the links to the two dies will be down in the description box, along with a discount code that you can use for 20% off. And go to the Inloveart shop and see what you can find. They have so many things, so many great things, guys. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.